Are you a freelancer, solopreneur, or micro business owner in Malaysia who's heard about e-invoicing but still unsure if it applies to you? You're not alone. E-invoicing isn't just for large corporations. Starting from 2025, the LHDN will be rolling out mandatory electronic invoicing in phases. And yes, it will eventually include freelancers, part-time service providers, and sole proprietors. If your annual income is above RM 100,000, you'll need to comply with e-invoicing rules by January 2026. But don't wait until the last minute. Getting started early gives you more time to learn the system, avoid mistakes, and focus on running your business. So what exactly is e-invoicing? It's not just sending a PDF to your client. Under the new rules, every invoice must be submitted electronically to LHDN's MyInvois system. This means real-time reporting, QR codes, and tracking every transaction through the official system. It's part of Malaysia's push to digitalize tax reporting and improve transparency. But here's the good news. You don't have to become a tech expert to comply. The MyInvois system can be accessed directly, but it's not exactly user-friendly. Instead, you can use a third-party tool like Assist.biz, which handles all the complexity for you, including sending your invoice directly to LHDN using PEPPOL standards. Assist.biz was built with small businesses in mind. That means it's affordable, mobile-friendly, and easy enough to use, even if you're not familiar with accounting software. Whether you're invoicing one client or 10, it takes just minutes to get started. Best of all, you don't have to give up the tools you already love. If you're using Google Sheets, Excel, or even WhatsApp to track jobs and payments, you can still do that. Just use Assist.biz to generate the final e-invoice that goes to LHDN. No need to change your workflow. E-invoicing in Malaysia is here to stay, and it's coming faster than most people think. As a freelancer or sole proprietor, this could feel overwhelming. But with the right tool, like Assist.biz, you'll be ready, stress-free, and fully compliant. Visit Assist.biz today and try our free trial to make sure you're ready.